Okay, so the final thing you need to know is how do I submit it when I'm done? I have here some clips that I've borrowed from other students. So I'm going to show you guys how you export these when you're ready. Right now they don't go together. So let's say this is scene 1 and this is scene 2 and this is scene 3. To string them together, you're going to do a file, export. You're not going to do a save for web legacy, which is what we use to make an animated GIF. Because we're not making animated GIFs, we're making a video, movie. Instead, you're going to choose render video. I'll call this one clip 1. I'm putting it on my desktop. I render it. I'm going to call this one clip 2. File, export. And remember, if this is going too fast, don't worry, this is all being recorded. Clip 2. Let's get clip 3 right here. Oops. And finally clip 4. Yeah, this guy's pretty good artist too. Now that I've got my clips, I'm going to open up a new program called Adobe Premiere. And only one person in the group needs to do this. The rest of you do not need to mess with Premiere. This is a professional video editing program that is used in TV and Hollywood right now. It's if it's something you want to learn how to edit videos, you can take my multimedia class next year. You're going to create a new project, give your group a name. So let's say that you guys are doing flooding. And I'm now going to import all those clips. So I just open up my folder here. I go to my desktop. These are the clips that I just created. I'm going to drag them here. Now, unfortunately, these are all done in different formats because I was doing different groups. So they're going to all look a little bit different. But now all you need to do is drag them to the timeline in whatever order they go in. So that's 1, that's 2. I'm going to zoom out. There's 3. And there's 4. And you can see it's not quite the right size, but let's not worry about that. This is what it looks like. Now some of them might be the wrong speed. Maybe this one's going way too fast. It's easy to fix that. Just right click on it, go to speed. It's a lot of stuff to look through here. Speed duration is there. Just change the speed to 50%. It'll go half as fast. Just make sure when you do that you check this box. Don't ask why, just do it. And there it is. Now it goes half as fast. Okay. Next, let's say you want to add some music and audio, which I am encouraging you to do. This website right here, Incompetech.com, has really good royalty-free music. This is used by YouTubers, and it's because it's free, and you're allowed to do anything you want with it. So you've probably heard this song before. Yeah? Well, these songs are all over YouTube because this guy gives them away for free. His name's Kevin MacLeod, and everybody loves him. Another website you're going to use is freesound.org. You do need to create an account. Only one of you needs to do it, but let's say you want a baby crying in your video. You search it. There it is. It's free. That's sad. You can download it, and it puts it in your downloads folder. So now, how do I get them into Premiere? It's really simple. If I go to my downloads folder, I just downloaded that song, Cheery Monday. I'm just going to drag it here. Do the same thing to that sound effect of a fire I just got. And then I just take the music, put it here. Oh, Cheery Monday is the music. You'll notice it goes way longer than everything else. All you have to do is grab the end and you can just pull it in. You just clip it is what it's called. So now I'm going to put that fire sound effect right there. And if yours are really small like this, I can show you how to fix that. I'm going to do it real quick here. Scale to frame size. And here we go. Here's our final animation. Okay, so that's it. This video will be on YouTube, so you can watch it at your leisure. Thanks, guys.